Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Walmart Plus for gas at Sam's Club. So the process is given on their website here. Just scroll down a bit, go to Walmart Plus option here, and we'll go for Walmart Plus benefits and fall discounts. So here's the process about Walmart and Sam's Club fuel stations. So basically from the Walmart app, first you gotta select services at the bottom of the page, and you should see the option of select member prices on fuel. After that, select pay at pump, and there should be a QR code on the pump screen. So scan that QR code, and after that, select your payment method through Walmart Pay, and right after that, there should be an option to select your fuel grade. So just select your fuel grade and start pumping the fuel in your car. So that's it. Oh yeah, you'll also get an e-receipt in the Walmart app when finished, but you will not get a physical receipt. So that's it. That's how you use Walmart for fuel at Sam's Club. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.